everybody, I'm Cornelius with Low Country Volkswagen. I just wanted to show you how to hook your phone up to your infotainment system right here. So it's pretty easy, okay? You can do it two different ways, okay? You can either do it through App Connect, or you can actually do it via Bluetooth. Okay, so first things first, when you wanna connect to the App Connect, okay, all you have to do is have your USB port plugged in right here, okay? And then the next thing you want to do is you want to plug it into the bottom of your phone as if you were charging your phone, okay? Alright, so it's going to ask you to connect right here on your infotainment system. You hit connect, and then it's going to ask you to allow on your phone. You hit allow, and there you have it, okay? Now you can put all your apps that you would frequently use to look down at on your phone is right here in front of you. So say you want to go to Starbucks, all you would have to do is hold down the voice command. Hey Siri, can you take me to the nearest Starbucks?
Getting directions to Starbucks.
You hit go.
Starting route to Starbucks.
And there you have it.
Heading on Johnny Dodds Boulevard.
And there you have it. Now all you have to do is actually you have your maps right here on your infotainment screen, okay? Alright, so you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to send a text message to this phone right here, and you can see how easy it is to use your text messages, okay? Alright, and so your text messages is going to come up right here on your infotainment system, and all you have to do is hit this blue button.
Someone with 843 area code said, "Hi everyone, want to reply?"
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Apple CarPlay is amazing.
Your reply to someone with an 843 area code says, "Apple CarPlay is amazing. Ready to send it?"
Yes.
I'll send it.
Alright, there you have it. And for Android Auto, everyone, it's pretty much the exact same thing. Now, if you have an older Android like I do, you can still use it for Bluetooth, okay? And I'm going to show you how to use that as well. It's pretty easy. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to hit the phone button right here, okay? And where it says find new cell phone, you just go ahead and hit that button right there. And you want to turn on the Bluetooth on your cell phone, okay? Give it a second. Then you go to results. And that's my phone right there. You just hit it. Hit OK. Yes. And you're there. And it's going to ask you to sync up your contacts. It's going to ask you to allow a few things. You just hit allow, and you're there. You give it about 30 seconds to import your contacts, and it's that easy to use.